That black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo magic.
Welcome back to a new video. It's your girl Glow. You guys missed me because I missed y'all. I'm back with a new video. In today's video, obviously you see the outfit. It's gonna be another hair tutorial. I have a very simple, easy, quick look for you guys today. You guys know I'm a sucker for those on the go, effortless wig looks. Okay, so the wig that I'll be showing you guys today is from WestKiss. I actually worked with them plenty of times since I started doing hair reviews, and I've always been a fan of their quality, their wigs, their laces. They have tons of options catering to your budget, of course. But the wig that I'll be showing you guys today is a 13x4 lace front wig. It's 16 inches, 250% density, and the texture is curly. So let's go ahead and get into it. This is the packaging. It's just a regular pink and white box. It says WestKiss on it. When you open up the box, let's see what kind of goodies we're getting today. We have the wig in a plastic bag. Ooh, we have a bonnet. You find a bonnet in a box. You will also find some lashes. These lashes are actually kind of cute. I might wear these today. You will find a wig strap, wig caps, a silk bag for your wig, and a wig band, also a baby hair toothbrush. So that's all the goodies that we're getting in this box today. Like I said, this is a 13x4 16-inch curly texture. Let's go ahead and see what she's looking like. Ooh, and her density is 250. She should be nice and full, nice and thick, you know. Ooh, oh my god, I love the lace. I don't know what type of lace this is. I'm gonna have all the details down below, of course, but this looks HD or like transparent. This looks so good, and it also looks like it's been like pre-plucked. Oh, they did a good freaking job. Oh my god, this texture is so soft. What is going on, y'all? I haven't done like short curly like this in a minute, so I'm really excited because I feel like it's gonna look super natural, really pretty. Look at the shine on this wig. This is insane. Look at that. So freaking pretty. Okay, so this is what the inside of the wig looks like. As you guys can see, the 13x4 lace. On the inside, it has like these combs and this strap right here for extra security. They also have comb on the bottom, adjustable straps. I really want you guys to see this lace though, because she is giving. Okay, this is straight out the box. I didn't bleach, didn't pluck. You guys know usually I don't do that. I want to keep it as beginner friendly as possible and as lazy as possible because I'm very lazy. So I really love the fact that they plucked it and did all that for you. Like, this looks super natural. It looks ready to go straight out the box, like so bomb. This is literally gonna make this install super quick and easy because I really don't have to do anything. I don't even have to bring the curls back to life. Like, straight out the bag. Look at this. Look how healthy, nice, and soft this looks. Like, the curls are not even messy. I really don't have to do anything to this but clean it up, and I love that for me. I honestly can't get over how soft and look how full it is. This is a 250 density and it's super full, but it doesn't feel heavy or nothing. The curls are super soft. Oh my gosh, this looks so bomb. Yeah, that's what the wig looks like. I'm really excited about putting it on my head right now. I'm about to go ahead and pretty much just cut the lace off and probably apply some foundation on it so it could be more of like my skin tone, and we're gonna get this baby on. It's gonna be super easy. You guys will see. Yeah, I'll see you guys once she's on.
Go to lunch in the Jewish community. I won't tell on the bros for the immunity. Can't beat them, that shit ain't gon' ruin me. I'm the only one now let outdo me. I got hoes by the crew tryna do me. My life like a movie, get hit in the water. Don't got put in no work, I in order. This shit ain't got serious, the millions come plural. I'm living by morals, we swiping and keeping no word. Explorer, I'm young and I'm turned, I got pictures galore. My baby mom will cost 250, I'm splurging. Got 5 million cash just in case it get merged. My young niggas still get away, they be purging. It happen like this, I ain't do it on purpose. I'm working my move, nigga, who for you working? I turned on my coupe, bought a coupe off of verses. I'm tired of these strippers, I'm going at nurses and doctors and dentists. You started, I finished, I told you we with it. My word is like gold in my city, I tell them to go, they gon' get it. I heard that you froze when they hit it. Putting these hoes in the business, you know that you trippin'. I tell them no, they gon' listen. Knowing these niggas be sweet and some bitches, I'm different. She tryna leave me, I'm low down. I hang with savages, don't bring your whole round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth. They think they do and we don't, I don't know how. Run through the low, call the plug, I need more pounds. I put on trip every day from the floor up. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more up. Yeah, cullin' and shouting, my driving ain't solid. I keep it on point, make sure nobody follow us. I got a Glock with a shot that can stop a truck. I get the money, ain't way like an octopus. Nowhere in hell, I'ma give all these choppers up. Team full of players, ain't nobody stopping us. We got a run, give a fuck, then we poppin' them. Been raising hell back in school, I was poppin' them. Yeah, all of my hoes get face to face. Making my bitch too much, she lazy. I was thinking prices too high and I raised. Shit in my bank account getting outraged. Niggas spend a lot, they had to switch on my phrase. And I'm sending out shots till the files get flamed. Switch up my route to the house, had to change. Still with this shit, I forget that I'm straight. Tryna leave me, I'm low down. I ain't with savages, don't bring your whole round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth. They think they do and we don't, I don't know how. I do the low, call the plug, I need more pounds. I put on trip every day from the floor up. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more up. Yeah, you tryna leave me, I'm low down. I ain't with savages, don't bring your whole round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth. They think they do and we don't, I don't know how. I do the low, call the plug, I need more pounds. I put on trip every day from the floor up. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more up. Yeah. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more up. I put on trip every day from the floor up. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more up. I put on trip every day from the floor up. I'm getting sick of this shit.
Alright you guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was super quick to install this wig because like I said, it basically came to me ready to install. All I had to do is just like do my 1-2. I used Got To Be to lay her down. As far as like the texture, I only use mousse to kind of like fluff out the curls a little bit and have them looking shiny. Honestly, it was already ready to go straight out the box. I didn't really have to do too much to the curls. I just cleaned it up a little bit on the top and everything. I did my baby hairs. Look at this lace, y'all. Like, I don't think you guys understand. Like, this looks so good. It looks so natural. I love the short curls. It's just like it's bomb. Yeah, I'm really happy with the way this came out. Pretty sure you guys love it too. If you guys are interested in this wig, make sure you check out the description and check out WestKiss. I will have all the links down below for you guys to get straight to this wig. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.